Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? It's Apple Tech Review once again. Today we are talking about 7 smartwatch. This is a new brand on the market. It's called 7 smartwatch, and this is the brand model. It's Z35S. It's LED. This is the resolution 240 times 280. The screen is complete. It's not square. This one is rectangle format. So I want us to go ahead with unboxing for this 7 smartwatch. I've already done review for other watches like Smartberry, Samsung. I can go ahead and first click on the link above. You first watch those videos. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing. Then we check the best features for this. So guys, that was the unboxing. So this is what we find in the box. We find this strap. It's in the format of silicone, and we have the charger, and this format, this is how it charges. You have to press it. You have to press it here down like this. Yeah, this is how it charges. It cannot get out when you are charging. And let's remove this. Let's try to fix these belts. We say so this is how it looks. This is same like a Smartberry type and other Apple series. And let's go and switch it on. We check whether these buttons function very well. We see whether it supports calling also. So press this button on this side. If it's not the one, then you can also press the one which is down. You can first check them all. Yeah, so this is the one that it can switch it on, at the same time switch it off. If you can check, you see. So let's do the full review. We check other features. These are the face watches. You can go ahead and switch and change, and also use the app to download more face watches. So let's first check whether it connects on this phone and supports calling. Yeah. So you have to first scroll down. When you scroll down, you switch on the Bluetooth. If you click once, you have switched off. You click again, you have switched on. Then go to your phone, switch on the Bluetooth, then search. When you search, it will come down here after searching. So this is it. It's called Verify. So click there. Click pair. If you can see, it has paired. It has paired with my device. So now we need the app, but now it can function. If you can check, it can function very well with this watch. So we need the app so that it can work properly with this watch. So guys, you have seen that when you click here like this, it says that app is needed to use this device. So you have to go back to this user menu, the one you find in the box. There is this QR code. Open your scanner. After opening your scanner, you have to scan this QR code. Then you click on this QR code. It will take you to a website where you can download the application very fast and use it. So if you're having iPhone or you're having Apple, you can click and choose where you want. So we are using Android. Let's click here on Android. So click on download. So it's downloading. As you can see, it's only takes 35 MB. So let's wait for this app to download, then we can go ahead and we check whether the device works properly on this phone. So these watches, they come in different colors. As you can see, if you want a different color, you can choose. It comes in many types. As you can see, it supports also the heart heart rate sensors, and it has also the microphone. This one is mouthpiece. Sorry, it's mouthpiece. You can use it to call your friends. This is the speaker. You can also use it to call to play music and the other things. Yeah. So now I think it has finished downloading. Let's try to install this. We see. So after you just open it, once you open agree, allow this one, make sure you allow all the messages, accessing the photos. Yes, so from here you have to sign in. When you sign, if you don't have the account, you can sign up or click register. Fill up all these and now from here I've now created accounts. After creating your account, make sure you fill up all these, you put all of them, then after you click OK. Then from here they're asking please enter your nickname. You have to enter your nickname also. Then after that, you see my nickname is Aprotech, and then you can fill up also these things. Yeah, but let me just use this one as a demo. So your phone, you can also put here your phone number or your type of phone. Yeah, I'm using Samsung, so I have to select others. Yes. Now you have to enable notifications if you want it to show all the notifications. So come here down to earphone, activate it, allow the notifications, then go back. Then this is it. From here you can also come here to you go to device setting, you allow saving mode or find my device, you go to all these. So far let's first check using only those. So the device is not connected. So far you have seen we have found it, and it has connected automatically using this one. Tap on it, it will show you connecting to the device. Then here accept on the watch. So the device has connected successful. So from here you can go ahead. As you see now, the icon has changed to green, showing that it has connected. So here allow. So from here it has connected. You can, whatever you do from here, if you, for example, you want to call and you come here, you call someone, you see it is calling through your device. You see, so as you can see, now it is working properly. From here you can, from using this app, you can do whatever you want. For example, if you want to change the theme, this one, you come here to change theme. You look for any theme, then you change it. So this one is for the phone. If you want to change for the watch, it it is down here. You have to keep just here. You can set the alarm reminder, message reminder. It is set on. Then we have alarm reminder. You can also set it. We have sleep monitoring. It can keep vibrating, for example, when you set time for sleep. And then we have also factory reset. Then we have raise your hand to brighten the screen. You have to switch it on. It has many features. Then for the watch, this one, it can show you the battery from here. Then from here you can get the data, like for example spots when you are doing jogging, other things like that. Yes. Then from here, for example, you want to access this jogging. If you click here and you start jogging, it will give you the update on this watch later after finishing the like running any sports. Yes. Then it can also do other things. You have to keep playing with this application. It can give you much from this watch. Yes. Then another best feature on this, if you have, for example, lost your phone, you can use this watch to find your watch. You can click here, you go to find your phone, then you long press here. It will automatically give you that sound so that you can find your phone. Yes. This is the exercise. Here we have the brightness for the watch. Then here we have these types of slide or what styles. Then we have so this watch it was equipped with few features compared to other watches, but if you're interested with a smartwatch, it's also not bad for sure. Yeah, so that is a short review. You can go ahead and subscribe and like our channel so that you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.